Namaskar. Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Another dressing design for you. And this one is a good big size. This is 6 feet from that side to this side. And when you have good space in a bedroom or a vanity where you want to keep this, something like this can be considered. This has got two advantages. First, the storage area. It can work as a chest of drawers, a vanity, and a dressing as well. When we have this kind of unit, such big design that you see, you get a lot of storage space. One, two, three, four drawers this side, one in the middle, and then two cabinets in the middle. These cabinets you see here, and drawers. So a lot of drawers and nice storage area. The depth of this one is 20 inches front to back. The height of the platform from the ground is 36 inches, 3 feet, and the total height is 7 feet. A nice big mirror frame, and teak wood and teak gold paint again, our most loved color. The design work, if you see, you'll see the class and the contemporary Italian design that you see mostly in the catalogs. By catalogs, what I mean, when you go online and you search for royal furniture or a premium furniture or Italian furniture, Egyptian furniture, Turkish furniture, mostly what you see is a lot of pictures that has got the complete setup with the bedroom, with the bed and the dressing and wardrobe and the chandeliers, the carpets, the French window and the curtains. That's complete setup you generally see. I've explained it earlier also, I explain it again, that these pictures where you see the complete setup, generally 99% these pictures are software generated images. If you go on YouTube and check how furniture is made on computer, you can see there are several videos available there. But what we show here is the actual stuff. We can touch it, we can pick it, move it, and this is the actual stuff, not the software generated image or a VFX where a drawn picture is shown to you. The classic Italian furniture or the modern designs that you see mostly, the premium types, are like this one. And the heavy carving on the front, everywhere, on the sides, the leg work, that gives the feeling of the royal furniture or the premium furniture that anybody would love to have in their home. The color part, the color is perception based. It gold is something I may like a lot. You may not like this gold. You may like metallic gold, or you like silver, antique silver, or something in distress, or antique finish, or in dark finish. That's completely choice part. Whichever color you want, we can do that. But the work, the carving work, the beauty that we have in this one is something that is unparalleled. The kind of work Arson has been doing and supplying globally. This one is going to Rajasthan and in some remote area of Rajasthan. We are not only supplying to the major cities, we are supplying to the remotest areas, and people are loving our stuff everywhere. We are getting orders from across India, be it Nagaland or be it Andaman, from the remotest areas in Kerala, from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Jammu, all the areas everywhere we are supplying our stuff, and the best part, we are making it personalized as per your color choice, as per your sizes, as per your requirement. If you're looking at this unit now and the kind of work it is displaying, the complete work, this particular unit can be used in two ways. You can use it as a server without the mirror, as a console, a chest of drawers, or as a lobby furniture. You can keep designer items on this, like the vases or these mementos or something to decorate, or a statue. So it can be used in the lobby or somewhere else where you want to keep such stuff, or it can be used in a kitchen area as a server itself, or a runner as we call it. Design, use, and sizes as per your requirement. Color choice we provide to every client and we deliver everywhere in India. We are close to 500 videos on YouTube. Actual stuff, real stuff in different colors, patterns, themes, sizes, designs, and going to across the globe. If you want to see how the furniture looks once it reaches the client's place, there is a section of testimonials on our website. You visit there and you'll see a lot and lot of testimonial pictures. Once the stuff reaches, how it looks inside a home where they have different setups that can be easily checked. Google reviews, you can see how happy the clients are with our work. And I hope and I trust that we continue to do that for a long, long time. It's already 38 years we are in this business. And this is the art, the handwork, the art of artisans, not carpenter work, not machine work. And we have been promoting this everywhere. If you are looking for something like this, you can contact us. For the pricing, you can contact us or visit our website, arsonwoods.com, and you will find a lot of prices and details over there. If you want to say something, some suggestions or some comments, please put in a comment in the section below, and we'll be happy to check that. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.